28-40. Si Kuya Bong lang pala. Butas ng ring. Pasok yun. 2-for-2 by Kuya Bong. 29-40. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 16. Dribble the ball. Pass to Vasquez. To Ken Bernardo. There's a foul. Jersey number 33. Kuya Bong. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throw by Ken Bernardo. Wala. Jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ribong. Pass to Tanedo. Block by Olivas. Pero sa kanya pa rin bola. Pass to Loy. Loy side step. Wala pa rin. Rebound niya pa rin. Follow up. There's a foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 30. C. Fourth personal foul by jersey number 30. And penalty. Unang tira. Wala pa rin. 6 na free throw doon ni Loy. Hindi pumasok. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Pass to Tanedo. Pull up. Wala pa rin. Ano nangyayari sa Team Bong? 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Olivas to jersey number 16. Pull up for 3 by jersey number 16. Nilaro Caras by Vasquez. Pass to Loy. Wala. Rebound by Bertuccio to jersey number 15. Connect for 2 point. 45-29. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Sting by jersey number 16. Time out by Team Bong. Official score 29-47. Gandang pasok doon ni jersey number 16. Isa na lang timeout nyo, Team Bong. Tatlo pa sa Team Stephen. Back to the ball game. Wala ng Team Bong. Kuya Bong. Pass to Banyes. Umamas. Malinya ang bola. 2 minutes remaining. Olivas to jersey number 16. Back to Olivas. 14 shot clock. Nice pass. For 2, no good. Rebound by Ken Bernardo. Block by Kuya Bong. Napunta ang bola kay Banyes. Pass to De La Roca. Sayang doon. Pass break play sana yun ng Team Bong. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Olivas. Pass to jersey number 16. Back to C. There is a traveling violation by C. One minute and 11 seconds. Official score 29-47. Tanedo to De La Roca. Pull up for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by C. Out of bounds. Technical foul. Jump ball. Technical foul. Ben charge to coach. Okay. Labas muna. May free throw. Technical free throw. Isa lang yun. And save ball. Connect. Ball possession pa rin ng team Bong. 30-47. 17-point lead by Team Stephen. 14 shot clock. Nanalo for 3. Rebound by Kuya Bong. Palak. There's a foul. Jersey number 88, Ken Bernardo. Penalty both teams. Second personal foul. Jersey number 88, Ken Bernardo. Unang tira ni Kuya Bong. Pasok yan. 31-47. 52.4 second. No good. Rebound by Olivas. 50 second. 45 second. Steal by De La Roca. 40 second. Ibanez coming for 2-point. Timeout by Team Stephen. Official score 33-47. Remaining time 33.7 seconds for the third quarter. 14. Isang timeout sa Team Bong, dalawa pa sa Team Stephen. Back to the ball game. Second. 25. 14 shot clock. 15 second. 10 second. 5 second. Bautista, wala. 1.6 second. 1.6 second. Green ball. By jersey number 16. Passer 3. Grabe ang kamay ni jersey number 16. Grabe ang sa kanya yung third quarter. Magic bunot doon si jersey number 16 sa third quarter. 17-point lead by Team Stephen. Let's begin the fourth quarter.
Ready. Green. Last quarter tayo. Nadali ng third quarter. Wala mga gitna. Games dito sa gitna, games. Ready? Ayan na. Bike na. 2. Bike ito, bike.
Olivas. Pass to Bautista. Blocked by Cuervo. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. There's a foul. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 14, Ibanez. Second personal foul. The first team foul. 14 shot clock. Olivas. Connect for 2-point by Olivas. Prospect play to Aliado. Blocking fouls. Foul up. Jersey number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 shot clock. Block by Manabat. Napunta bola kay Olivas. Olivas ngayon. Side step. 2-point by Olivas. 54-33. 4-0 run by Team Stephen.
Sige, tsaka na. 5 seconds tayo.
Ulibas, Saras by Tanado. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to Manabat. 14 shot lang. 10 shot lang. Jersey number 3, Dermendo. Connect for 2 point. 56-33. Tanado. Pull up for 3. Yes, sir! For 3 by Tanado. 36-56. 20-point lead by Team Stephen. 8 minutes remaining. Fourteen shot clock. Steal by Lloyd. Mapunta bola kay Tanado. Tanado! Di pa rin pumasok pero merong foul. Jersey number 15, Olivas. First personal foul. Second team foul by Team Stephen. 2 free throw by Tanado. Pasok. 37-56, jumpers ready. Follow up, there's a foul. Foul up. Jersey number 7, Manabat. Third personal foul by Manabat and third team foul. Wala. Well, remaining time, 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Itong free throw na doon ni Louie, hindi pumasok. Pasok na. Sa break. 38-56.
Bola.
7 minutes and 40 seconds. Bautista. Para sa Tanado. Offensive foul by jersey number 28. Extension doon. First personal foul by Bautista. Warning for penalty. Team Stephen. Tanado. Uibanes. Tualyado. For 2. No good. Nandun si Loy. Wala. Malakas. Fernando ngayon. 2 points by Fernando. 58-38. Wala ng tipo. Steal by Bautista. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound by Tanado. Pass to Louie. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. 14 shot clock. Tanado. Connect for 2 point. 40-58. 18-point lead with Team Stephen. There's offensive foul. Jersey number 6, Fernando Sabre. Tanado, as by Wayne. To pass. For 3, wala. Rebound by Fernando, pass to Wayne. Relax ang bola. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to Fernando. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Wayne. By Wayne. 61-40. Back to 21-point lead. There's a foul. Jersey number 6, Brett Benotti. Third personal foul by Fernando, jersey number 6. Yun ang tira ni Banyas, pasok. 41-61, jumpers ready. Before 2 by Banyas, 42-61. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Fernando. Relax ang bola. Screen by Bautista. 14 shot clock. There's a foul. Jersey number 14, Ibanez. And second team foul. 14 shot clock. Third personal foul by Ibanez. Ten to shoot. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Steal by Fernando. Good play to Libas and one. Who's got it? Jersey number 24, De La Roca. Second personal foul and third team foul.
Mismatch.
64-42. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Luy, malakas pa rin ang tira. Walang pekto si Luy. Relax daw, sabi ni Bautista. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 14 shot lang. Jersey number 1 for 3. Time out. May Team Bong, wala nang time out doon. Ang Team Bong, last time out na po yun. Back to the ball game.
Kabila.
Miles connect for 2 point.
Ito.
14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Rebound by Kuya Bong, pass to Ibanez. Tuloy. Wala pa rin ang kanyang driving layup. As Ibanez for 3, no good. There's a foul by jersey number 1, Wayne. Second personal foul penalty. Connect. 45-67, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock. Vasquez, no good. Rebound by Punsola. Pass to De La Roca. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Good block by Olivas. Pass to Ibanez for 3. Short. Napot ang bola sa team. Sa break. Two minutes and 30 seconds. Olivas. Pass to jersey number 16. To Olivas. Mama sa paa ni Olivas. Wala ng tipo. Two minutes and 15 seconds. Nabitawan bola ni Mas. Napunta kay Ibanez. Connect for 2 point by Ibanez. Relax lang. Both team. Last 2 minutes. Brought you by Just Believe. Olivas. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Jersey number 14. Ibanez. Fourth personal foul by Ibanez. Entering for penalty. Timbo. Anong tira ni Olivas? Wala. Jumpers ready. Connect. 68-47. Sabrep. Steal by jersey number 16. Rebound by Louis. Pass to Miles. Pull up for 3. Yes, sir. For 3 by Miles. 1 minute and 37 seconds. 50-68. 18-point lead. Shot clock. 1 minute and 20 seconds. No good. Halap. Connect for 2 point by Miles. 52-68. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 14 shot clock. 58 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 45 seconds. 40. 39.3 seconds. 35 seconds. 30. Sok. 54-68, 27.3 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. $10.6 seconds.
Oh.